Unit 5 Fabric Inspection Systems. Inspection in reference to the apparel industry can be defined as a visual examination or review of raw materials, partially finished components of the garments. It also examines completely finished garments by measuring the garments to check if they meet the required measurements in relation to some requirements, standards, or specifications. Fabric inspection. The main objective of inspection is the detection of the defects and non-conformance as early as possible in the manufacturing process so that time and money are not wasted later on in either correcting the defect or writing off defective garments. Types of fabric inspection systems. The various fabric inspection systems used in the garment industry are given here. 4-point system, 10-point system, Granite Village 78 system, Dallas system. 4-point system. In this system, fabric faults are identified with defect points in the scale of 4. That means maximum defects points is 4. According to this system, if the total defect points are per 100 yards of fabric or 40 or more, the fabric will be rejected. Criteria for giving penalty points. You see on the left hand side length of defect and on the right hand side penalty points. So up to 3 inches one penalty point is 1. If the length of defect is 3 inch to 6 inch, penalty point is 6. If the length of defect is 6 inch to say 9 inch, penalty point is 3. If it is more than 9 inch, penalty points are 4. Next, coming to holes, 1 inch or less 2 points, over 1 inch 1 point. Some general rules for a 4-point system. Not 1 meter of cloth is penalized more than 4 points. Any defect occurring repeatedly throughout the entire piece is marked second. Second is a cloth quality, which implies that the cloth contains minor defects. A trade discount of 8 to 15% is allowed in this category. We see in the market that there are seconds are sold, so those seconds are those are the seconds which has minor defects. Cloth is inspected on face side only unless specified. 10-point system. In this system, the fabric faults are identified with points on the base of the scale of 10. The maximum defect point is 10. According to this system, if the total defect points per 100 yards of fabric are 100 or more, the fabric will be rejected. In this system, warp and weft direction faults are separately inspected and assigned defect points. So in this warp defects are separate and weft defects are separate. So we see these charts. Warp defect on the left hand side, weft and on the right hand side penalty points. So length of the warp defect is 1 inch up to 1 inch, 1 point. If the length of warp defect is 1 to 5 inch, 3 points. 5 inch to 10 inch, 5 points. 10 inch to 36 inches, 10 points. Next, weft side weight defects. Up to 1 inch, 1 point. 1 to 5 inch, 3 points. From 5 inch to full width, 5 points. Full width, 10 points. Thank you. These are 4-point and 10-point systems. In the next video, we will see the other 2 defect charts.